You know, I've been sanding for about 20 damn minutes and I just thought about turning on the recorder, okay? So, yeah, join me. Darn old piece of wood looks better than I thought it did. After you start cleaning it up, sanding on it, you make it look pretty good. So let's put the paper off of here. Cover one of my jiggies. There's my sanding station back. And I've dusted this sucker out inside here everywhere, right good. I know it needs more, but this is the first time through. This body here was one that was in the building when the fire happened, guys. And it got scorched. We can see a little bit of the soot and stuff down in it that I'm getting out of it now. As you rub it, you still get black on your hands. Off of it. That's the reason she's smoky. Yeah. I think it's going to be the Burning Man. Back here out in the shop, I got a little couple things I need to tell you about. First of all, the guitar here, the neck pocket needs to be taken down deeper. And y'all notice it's a carved top. It's going to be a little tricky because you can't just take a router in there and do that without making a mess. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a jig to set on top of it, and then I can route down in there and route the pocket out. So this is what I got in my mind to do. So y'all see my little rug? $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. There ain't nothing in the better. We got to listen to my buddy Chris about that. Chris Monk, Highline Guitars. What we're going to do, we're going to set it right here out of the way. And let me get my tape measure. We got to go here. And we're going to lay this thing right across the bridge, right across here, over here. So we're going to go about that far. So let's make this piece 16 inches. So we got a little extra. Well, we don't need that one. Let's go 14 inches long. Okay. And then width-wise, so we got room for the router to ride up on top of here. Let's go ahead and go 8 inches. So we need 14 by 8. So we only got that there, so we can get a 14 right here. And then we'll get us an 8 this way. Just mark it on the side right here. Okay, 14 by 8, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to cut that little piece out right quick. So let's get that. That's the famous defying Radial Arm Saw, guys. Everybody ought to have one. It's dangerous, I don't know. Like that, you see? There we go. Just lay it on the thing to figure out where we're going to do it. Get my marker out. If we were to lay this on top of this guitar like that, we could slide it up here and we could route that thing out. So my idea is take this, double tape it here and here, maybe there, I don't know. Put it right there, leave an opening right here for the router to ride on, so the router has a flat base so it can stay flat as it goes across. So that's what my idea is. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here. Right there is where I want to be on that. So I want to come back to the neck pocket. I'm going to be about right back there. Give me plenty of room to make sure I got the neck pocket in it. Okay? Now we're going to find us a center line. And once we get a center line, we'll cut this piece out here. Okay? That's what we'll be doing next. What I'm going to want to do here is I want to go 4, which is my center. Now, to be able to have a little room for that router to work inside that pocket, which is, you know, the pocket's 2 3/16 or so, right? So let's cut this thing out. Let's cut it at 2 3/4 inches. So 2 3/4 would be, yeah, that. That would be center of that is, there, should be. So we should have 2.5 there and 2.5 there. Pretty good eye, huh? And I just mark it here where we can see it and cut it. Now, let's get this cut out. Ready? Okay, we got that. We're gonna go get us something. Cut this out so we can use it to put on.
Okay, I got my neck pocket jig laid up on there to hold up my machine. So I'm gonna go over to the router and cut this sucker out. Let's see it goes to mount the body, the neck. So let's get those marked. And I'm moving them in to a little different location than what the regular plate would do, because I'm not using the plate. But I am moving them in and I'm putting them on the inside corners. It's because I want them there. So, I've got me 4 little spots right there now. I've got those marked. Let's go outside and set the drill press up. This is a mobile operation. I got them in there. I'll clean them up a little bit, sand them up a little, work on them. And I'm going to mortise them down in there to get them down inside, so I got to find that bit. I'm going to search for it. What I'm going to do is, I've got these 4 holes drilled, ready to go. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get the neck mounted in and pilot hole these down into the neck. Get the neck for this little doodad. And let's see if we can get him in the hole right here. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out on the drill press and lay it down and take it right down in there and mark them that way so I get exactly the center of each one of these holes where I want them, so they don't have to worry about them moving at all. That's all the parts I was looking for. Okay, I'm back with some stuff to work with. And I got these inserts, just got to go in the neck. And I got to get them in here as deep as that goes is what I'm going to have to do. So we're going to go there, is what that's going to be. So that. Next, we're supposed to drill it 564. So we're supposed to change this over to this. Okay. Need to make a way. Put these inserts in that neck, make sure I get them perfectly straight. And I seen something done, and I think I'm gonna adapt a couple of people's ideas here and make this work. So let's give it a shot. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these bolts and I'm gonna cut it off and so I can chuck it up in my drill. So we're gonna get that done first. I got this. I'm gonna put it up in the drill. I'm gonna get this out of the drill for now. I know which bit I need, what that I need. Now I got this neck and I got my hole drilled in the back. See right there? So this is the first one. We want to make sure we get it right. So what I brought was those two. I got the insert, got a bolt with a good thread on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a nut. A washer on, nut on there, another nut on there. Then I'm gonna run them into this insert as if I was putting the insert in, tightening it down. I'm gonna make sure they don't go past the bottom of it, so they're flush. I'm putting two of them in there, okay? Now I got both of those in there. I got them snugged up just finger tight. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this thing down, chucking this thing up in here. And I'm gonna tighten it up. Then we're gonna bring it down here like this, and we're just gonna put it right into that neck, okay? But first we gotta get everything raised up here and get in a position where it can work. So let's bring it up. Now I miss my big old drill press, boys. I'll tell you what, insurance company didn't pay off too well. This is what I ended up with. Okay. Got my inserts in. I'm gonna put them into the pocket here and get it fit up. There we go.